Only a few minutes a day can make a big difference.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 365 Daily English Conversations.
I'm Arrefa.
And I'm Tiffany. We're so happy you're learning English with us today.
Yeah.
Today's conversation takes place at a coffee shop before work. You'll learn useful English for ordering drinks and talking with a barista.
Today's keywords are menu, latte, sugar,
and receipt.
Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning, Arrefa. You look awake today.
Haha, that's because I already smell fresh coffee.
Me too. This coffee shop always smells amazing.
Let's go inside.
Sure. Wow, there are so many drinks on the menu.
You're right. It's hard to choose.
What are you going to order?
I think I'll have a hot latte. It's one of my favorites.
Good choice. I usually order an iced latte, but today it's a little chilly. I'll have a hot one too.
Do you want any sugar?
Just 1 spoon, please. I don't like my coffee too sweet. How about you?
No sugar for me. I like the natural coffee flavor.
You're becoming a real coffee lover.
Maybe I am.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. 2 hot lattes, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, please. 1 blueberry muffin.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Your total is $12.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
Let's find a table.
This one by the window looks nice.
I like watching people walking outside. Everyone looks busy this morning.
Morning coffee really helps people start the day.
I agree. Sometimes it's not just about the coffee. It's also about taking a short break before work.
Exactly. Just a few quiet minutes can make a big difference.
2 hot lattes and 1 blueberry muffin.
That's us.
Everything looks delicious.
Cheers. Here's to a great day ahead.
Cheers! Let's enjoy our coffee before work.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
1. Menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks you can order. Example. Let's look at the menu. 2. Latte. A latte is a coffee drink made with espresso and milk. Example. I'd like a hot latte, please. 3. Sugar. Sugar makes drinks or food sweeter. Example. I'd like 1 spoon of sugar. 4. Receipt. A receipt is a paper that shows what you paid for. Example. Can I have my receipt, please? 5. Order. To order means to ask for food or drinks. Example. We're ready to order. 6. Barista. A barista is a person who makes and serves coffee. Example. The barista smiled and greeted us. 7. Muffin. A muffin is a small, soft cake often eaten for breakfast or as a snack. Example. I ordered a blueberry muffin. 8. Sweet. Sweet means having a sugary taste. Example. I don't like my coffee too sweet.
Great job. You finished the slow version.
This time, we'll speak faster, just like real conversations. Ready? Let's go.
Good morning, Tiffany. Ready for some coffee?
Absolutely. Let's check the menu.
I'm ordering a hot latte.
Me too. Just 1 spoon of sugar, please.
No sugar for me.
2 hot lattes and 1 blueberry muffin. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready soon.
Perfect. Let's sit by the window.
Great idea!
Ready for a challenge?
This time, the conversation will be faster.
Stay relaxed.
Keep listening.
You can do it. Good morning. What would you like today?
I'd like a hot latte with 1 spoon of sugar. How about you?
A hot latte without sugar, please.
No problem. Here's your receipt. Your drinks will be ready shortly.
Thank you. Let's enjoy our coffee before work.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like a hot latte.
1 spoon of sugar, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Let's find a table.
Have a wonderful day.
Now, listening and speaking challenge.
Now answer these questions out loud, and we would appreciate it if you would write them in the description. Question 1. What is your favorite coffee or tea? Question 2. Do you drink coffee every day? Question 3. How much sugar do you like in your coffee? Question 4. What do you usually order at a coffee shop? Question 5. Do you like sitting by the window or outside? Why?
Excellent job! You finished another real-life English conversation.
Every new conversation helps you build confidence. Keep practicing one day at a time.
Join us again tomorrow for another fun and useful English conversation.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
See you
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.